Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a gray card for white balance. A gray card is a simple yet powerful tool for photographers. It provides a neutral 18% gray reference point, which is crucial for your camera to accurately interpret colors and light. By using this card, you can ensure that your images have consistent and true-to-life color reproduction, saving you significant time in post-processing. Before taking your reference shot, proper setup is key. Position the gray card in the exact same lighting conditions as your main subject. Make sure the card is facing directly towards your camera lens, allowing it to reflect the light accurately. Crucially, ensure the card is evenly lit, free from any distracting shadows or harsh highlights for the most precise reading. Now it's time to capture your white balance reference. Fill your camera's frame with the gray card, or at least ensure it's prominently placed in the center. Take a photograph of the card, making sure it is in focus. This single image will serve as your neutral color reference point, capturing the precise color temperature of the scene's lighting. With your reference shot taken, you can now adjust your white balance. If setting in camera, navigate to your custom white balance menu and select the gray card image. For post-processing, open your RAW file in editing software, select the eyedropper tool, and click on the gray card. Apply this precise white balance setting to all other photos taken under those identical lighting conditions for consistent, accurate colors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.